This is a 1970 Ford Galaxy XL, or Ford XL, if you want to be particular. This car was built and delivered on November 24th, 1969 as part of Ford's A plan to a Ford employee in Dearborn, Michigan, later serving for an older gentleman in Phoenix, Arizona, and then under the ownership of my father's late brother, my late uncle, and now it's owned by my father. This car features Krager race wheels on 235/70/15 wheels by B.F. Goodrich. Features a power drop top. It was originally white, replaced with a black in 1997. Options include the power windows, power steering, air conditioning, the AM radio. That's an option. The radio, as I said, does not work, and as a result, we have this crudely manufactured Bluetooth speaker, stereo with a subwoofer. The engine is a Ford 390 6.4-liter V8, carbureted with a Motorcraft 4-barrel. Kind of hard to do it with one hand. Engine and transmission were completely rebuilt in 2015. 275 some odd horsepower, somewhere in that range. You're making most of your horsepower around 4,000 RPM. 5 and 6 doesn't do much besides waste gas and make a lot of noise. This car was not built for street racing. Coupling that to a 3-speed automatic with a mall walker 2.75 rear end, this 6.4-liter groans up to 60 miles an hour in about 8.9 to 9.5 seconds. It's not too bad when you think about it. Ford advertised MPG of about 9.6 miles to the gallon, but my father averaged 13 up Highway 10 from DeSoto to Lawrence when we first picked this thing up. Trunk latch cover is missing. That broke off at some point. I looked for replacements, and they start at about $350, so probably just going to hold off on that for now. Cosmetic issues. This car has a few issues that we're not going to tackle because we're not body men, obviously. We're more into personality. Some paint blemishes, excuse me. This trim piece, I believe, is missing. Just a little bit of few rust spots here and there. Pinstriping's coming undone. There's a massive gouge here. Don't know where that came from. I don't think that was when it was in Paul's possession. There's also a large dent up in the quarter panel. I can probably tap that out with the dead blow mallet. But, yeah, quite a nice car. I went inside and actually found the paperwork from Marty Auto Works when we got a deluxe report done in 2009. I believe this was Uncle Paul's doing. So here you see serial number 0U61Y127716, obviously. 1970, built at Louisville. It's the XL two-door convertible. Built November 1969. It's the candy apple red paint. I couldn't tell. Black vinyl bench seat, 2.75 axle ratio. Boy, that's bad. And the C6 select shift. This was an A-plan vehicle. As you see, that means this was originally bought by a Ford employee, probably for his son or for himself. And here's the options. We got the white power top, replaced with black, like I said. Visibility light group, that's, you know, just some daytime running lights and whatnot. This is no longer correct. The belted and sidewall tires are not correct because, well, they were replaced with something better. Body side moldings, power disc brakes, power steering, air conditioning, AM radio. AM/FM was an option. Tinted glass and mag-type wheel covers. Now this body and chassis is actually very familiar to my father. His first car was a 1971 Ford LTD. Basically the exact same drivetrain and platform, so this is kind of second nature to him. He knows how to drive these, and as do I. I've driven a couple of classics and even a couple $5 million some odd supercars down in Wichita. That's our 1970 Ford Galaxy XL. Her name, Big Red. Thanks for watching, folks.